What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me in another episode in the Hot Box. Hope you've all been well. Cheers. And you know, we already have the latest product, Silver Tempest. We have a booster box ready to be ripped open. I was going to open the whole thing and do a video, but I've been having such bad luck with collection boxes. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull 15 packs out of this booster box. Start out with that. And then we're going to move into a Pokemon Go Radiant Eevee Collection box. It's been sitting on my shelf for 4 months now, around 4 months. So we're going to see if we can have some better luck. Never going to open Pokemon Go again purposely to buy it. So we're going to see if it, I used to have some good luck on collection boxes. So that's why I really want to see if the tide's turned or what. But I don't know. We're going to see. So we got 3, 6, 9, 12. This should be, okay. 15 packs. So, we're going to put this to the side. We're going to get right into this. Get situated. And Silver Tempest is Lucky or bust. Depending on how my luck goes with this, will determine if I do purchase more Silver Tempest, which I'm sure I will, but it's Lugia or bust. Unknown, Lugia, Alt Art, Ho-Oh Full Art. That's what we're looking for here. So, you know what? I'm not doing the pack trick. I think that's a little overrated. First time seeing these in person. I already like the common artwork. I'm sure there's some reprint cards, but just starting out, pulling the heat, baby. We're pulling the heat. Right hand? I don't know. Can we get a double banger into a Rapidash Hollow? That's what I'm talking about. We're bringing the heat. We're starting out bringing the heat, baby. Okay. We're going to put these down. I'm going to put it right there. That's what I'm talking about. You know what? Cheers to that, guys. I'm telling you, right now, booster boxes are the way to go. Collection boxes are a no-go. I don't have much luck buying individual packs. I'm probably going to do the pack trick a lot. Not going to do it, but going to think I am. That's fine. Let's get right into this. Got a Wilmer. A Murkrow. I mean, what is this? What am I doing? Another Trainer Gallery. Milotic. Went straight to it. Can we get a double banger? Incineroar, non-hollow. Is he blowing a snot bubble? Okay. So whatever. Get the sleeves out. We're coming in with the heat. We have a Trainer Raihan, and a Milotic Trainer Gallery. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm telling you, this is where it's at. These sets with Trainer Gallery is where it's at. I mean, we still haven't gotten a rare. We have a hollow and a non-hollow. But we're bringing the heat, baby. I'm bringing it to you. God, see, every time I'm just so used to it, and I don't know how to do that. Okay. Can we go 3 for 3? Okay, our first reverse, a Welmer. Moving in to a Lugia V. Let's go, baby. It's not the Alt Art. But man, what a beautiful card. Pokemon messed up making this a V card. Oh my god. I mean, we're on fire right now, guys. Go ahead, drink. Go ahead. I mean, probably gonna pull duds the rest of the time. Cheers. need some more bong water at this rate. I mean, we are pulling heat, guys. We are pulling heat. Okay. I mean, it's like, obviously the alt art is the biggest hit. I mean, that Lugia V, I don't know the value on it. I'm sure it probably will have some decent value in the long run. Nothing crazy, but oh man, that's okay. Every time I go to do the pack trick, we're pulling fire. We're pulling fire. Pulling the fire. Can we get something out? Can we go 4 for 4? Straight to the reverse in our first non-pull pack. And that is fine. You're going to get those. Just lay these out for you so you can see. Oh my God, we're running through these. I've been so excited to open this up. Hope everybody's had a good weekend watching some NFL football. Okay. Calm down. Got a Litten. Got a Murkrow. Got a Swablu. Rotom. Bunnery should be moving into the reverse slot now. A Baltimore reverse. And our rare. A Gardevoir non-hollow. Yeah, okay. It's fine. It's fine. I don't even know if I finished my thought process of what I was saying earlier, but I may have said, I don't know. But yeah, if you want the hits, always go for booster box. I'm telling you, buy in bulk. You always get more packs for cheaper. I paid $110 for this. If you go on Pokenerds, you get trainer points, and once you get so many trainer points, you can put it towards like $10 off a purchase, free shipping, or whatever. And because we get a Medicham Hollow, and I did free shipping, so $110. I think it mailed in 3 days, 4 days. It was here, so. And they always have pre-orders. That's the only site I'll really order from online. So check them out. Giving them a shout out as always. Again, giving us the hits. Stupid ass card into a Talonflame. So we start out hot. The fire has died down. That's okay. We still got plenty of packs to go. Plenty. Okay. Here's your Zubat. Starting out with Zubat. I mean, look at this artwork. Thank you, Pokemon. Elgin. These are cool. See, that's what I like in a set too. I don't really care for the commons or uncommons, but you know, I enjoy a nice artwork. Okay, nothing there. Oh God. These packs are tight. Kind of tough to open. Later on for the Pokemon Go collection box, I do want to get that Radiant Eevee card out just to put it in my hands. Golbat reverse into a Cobalion non-hollow. But yeah, we're going straight up Mewtwo all-starter bust. I don't want anything else out of that set. Total flop of a set. But it's okay. Let's go. Bring the heat. We're due. We're due for one right here. Dratini. We got a Clink. Braxton reverse. And give me something right here. A Victini non-hollow. That's fine. I love when I talk good about Pokemon and it just fucking just hit you with no lube, just fist you. Start out hot and we're just not doing good. We're not doing good. Can we finish strong? Starting out with another Durant. Routes, my boy Trevor. Dratini, my weenie. Clink. Lopunny. And a Keldeo non-hollow. Okay. Last 4 packs of Silver Tempest for the day. Thank you for joining me, as always. Okay. finish it off with. I should have showed you all the pack arts. I'm pretty sure there's 4. These are the last 4 we're going to open today. You get the Alolan Vulpix, the Lugia. We're going to save that one last, and then the Reggie. I don't know. But these are your 4 pack arts. Save the Lugia for last. Okay. Here we go. Last 4. Whatever. You're not getting the code card. You're not getting it. You don't need it. You don't need those code cards. I mean, does anybody even use those? Like, am I wasting my time giving those out? Or, I mean, if somebody's using them, that's fine. I hope they are. But it saved me a lot of trouble. Oh! Got the Radiant Jirachi. Fire. Do away with the Radiants after this. They've had their spotlight. They're great. Get rid of them. Can we get a double banger right here? No, we can't. That's okay. The reverse slot is what's been giving us the heat. That's our 3rd reverse slot pull. I'm hoping in the other packs that we'll have an all-star. I mean, isn't that everybody's goal? All-star or bust. Okay, come on. Here's your code card. We got a Finnegan, Spinarak, Beldum, my boy evolves into Metagross, 3rd evolution, Krogunk, Solosis, reverse slot, Halucha, and our rare, a Delphox. Okay, that's 2 packs. Moving into the Alolan Vulpix. Black code card, good sign. Hollow or not, or better, right here. There's our Droopy. There's our Fanfi. This is the same exact lineup that we got, I'm pretty sure, the trainer or the Milotic gallery. So maybe we get something again. Chimeco, Arachnid, and a rare. What is this? What is this? Is this a new Pokemon? Okay. Okay. Not even gonna attempt to say what that is. Whatever. Last pack. Cheers. And the Lugia Alt-Art. We already pulled the Lugia V. Beautiful card. If I'm pulling a V card, give me that Lugia all day. All day, every day. Here we go. Can we pull that Alt-Art? I'm going to slow roll it. Zubat. Elgium. We got a Fungus. Sandygast. Relicanth. Stunkfist. Is this the shiny Stunkfist? It's not a rare. And our rare. Reggie Drago V-Star. Okay. 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 No full arts. No alt arts. But we did get a V Lugia and we did get a V-Star. With a Radiant. I'm not counting that fucking thing. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, solid little lineup right here. Not bad. Definitely be in the winner right here. Sorry, my light is what makes it blue and it's hard to see, but such a beautiful card. Okay. So now we're gonna move into this beautiful, overpriced Radiant Eevee Collection box. So here we go. I'll show it to you real quick. I'm going to cut. And next time you see me, this bad boy's going to be opened up. We are back. Sorry for the delay. Cheers. Almost out. You got to save the last little bit for the end of the video. But we are back. I'm just going to hold it up on the screen because it's too big. There's your play mat. You've all seen it. I'm sure you've all had it. It's old. Whatever. Okay. Your code card. Do what you please with that. A cute little Eevee pin. Put him right over here where you can't see him. The beautiful Radiant Eevee promo. Beautiful. Good job, Pokemon. And then the most important, our packs. So we have 8 of these. Yeah, Mewtwo or bust, Altart. Okay. Doesn't matter, those are all the shitty cards. Probably just gonna start throwing those away. Running out of room for all this shit. Okay, I haven't opened this set in a long time. Obviously, we all know you get a holo. But let's see, we're running with a pack. We got my boy, let me go ahead and give him the spotlight. Squirtle. We're gonna give our boy Charmander. Probably not gonna get a Bulbasaur, but we got the Eevee and the Radiant Eevee Collection box on the first pack. So there's your lineup. Sorry Bulbasaur, we didn't get you, bud. We got a Tranquil reverse and our rare. A Sylveon follow. Okay. This is what I wanted to see. If we don't get any decent pulls out of this, I promise you, I will never, look at me, right now, look at me. I will never open a collection box again. Now that I wouldn't buy one, I'm just never going to open it. Okay, here we go, getting serious now. Squirtle, Meltan, Bidoof, got a Magikarp, Pidove, a Melmetal, that's a rare, and our rare. This motherfucker. So there's one hit out of the box. Thanks, Pokemon. Really wanted that Slacking V. Should have left this motherfucker still, but it's fine. I just scratched the fuck out of the cards opening them. Not too fuck off. Dumbass. Hate that guy. The monkey. Larvitar. Could have made him a cool card in this set. A Tyranitar instead of just the holo. Eradicate. Why you made another form of this? I'm just gonna stop. A pre-evolution. We got an Ivysaur reverse. And the rare. Articuno holo. Okay. I'm not cheersing. I'm drinking because it's just... It's so brutal. Pokemon is so brutal. To me. I follow all these people on Instagram and they just... I don't know if they're just buying cards or what, but they just... Right when the new set comes out, just pull the fire. Have the fire. And I never have that luck, but it's okay. Another fucking Meltan and Squirtle. And Bidoof, I mean, Jesus Christ. This is the same lineup as the last one. No Radiant. Okay. Oh God. Get me out of here. Okay. Here we go. Keep my composure. Oh God. Moltres, Melmetal, Hollow. Last 3 packs. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. I can't even. I mean. Okay. I don't get them out of here. Oh shit! Trash set, absolutely trash set. Let's make this good Radiant Eevee card that you can only get out of the promo, and just screw you over the packs. Let's go. Here we go. Bidoof. Charmander. You got the Apom. There you go, Bulbasaur. Let's up the camera up. Wimpod. Last pack. Thank you for joining me. Oh, this video started out just so promising. Oh, God. We're going to do the pack trick. What is it, 3, 4? I don't even know now. I'm out of my element. Fire Energy. War Turtle. Gonna slow roll these. Rare Candy. We got a Camerupt. Onyx. Shout out my boy Brock. Barrel with the Smeargle. Just photobombing them. I guess that's what he does in Pokemon Go. Slowpoke with his tail in the water. Trying to evolve. We got another Bidoof. Magikarp. Venusaur. No Radiant. That's a rare. And our rare. Oh. Yeah. This is what happens. Alright guys. Thank you for joining me. As always, please smash that like button if you want to see me get fisted on Pokemon more. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on a good laugh. Turn on all bell notifications. And I will catch you next time in the hot box. We are out.